Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit GoPro Mission 1 Pro videos in the Quik app. So if you have any clips on your Mission 1 Pro, what you guys want to do is go over into Studio. Now here, go to My Edits and click on Create and Edit. As you guys can see, here we have the Quik option. And the Quik option basically, let me quickly try and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Once we're connected to the Wi-Fi network, we want to make sure that we have something with our Quik app. Here we will have every single thing that we transported from our GoPro. And as you guys can see, I've got the edit here. Now we can select it and click on Create Auto Edit. But we can also go to Phone and I'll choose this. Create auto edit, and as you guys can see, it will detect people, movements, and everything. It will try to get the music to a beat. Of course, I muted my phone, but that's how the edit basically looks like. So that's how it works. Also, you have the timeline. You got everything here. For example, you can duplicate this, and now the media is duplicated. You can change the themes, so you can do the slice, for example. Also, you can change the music. You can try and get the length. Here we have the format, so it could be 4:3, 8:7, 1:1, 7:8, 3:4, or 9:16 if you want to post it to TikTok. Now this is how it works. We're gonna click Save at the top. And as you guys can see, those are some premium editing tools. We're gonna skip it. And here we get the music. That's why we don't really want to use the premium things. If you bought it, then that's okay. You can basically edit for free. You can save that edit. But what I'm gonna do is, of course, we got it done. So now we're just gonna leave. As you guys can see, it might be laggy a little. It's pretty normal, so it's normal for this app. All I always do is just turn this off and turn it on again. We got our edit already, so that's how you guys can edit GoPro Mission 1 Pro videos. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.